What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. So all you need is yourself, a device, and a stable internet connection. It's 100% free. You're not going to have to worry about any hidden fees whatsoever. You're going to love this entire thing because it is available to everyone all around the world in every single country. You name it, it's available. And if you think that's it, you're going to be so excited to hear that there are really no particular requirements needed. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need any experience. And you just have to be yourself. Now, this method already sounds perfect and you're about to get your hands on it. So make sure that you watch until the very end and make sure you don't skip or else you're going to miss something important, which we don't want. So let's jump right into it. So I want you guys to open up answerthepublic.com. And you can see that this is where you can actually discover what people are talking about on the search bar right here. You can easily search a topic, a brand, or a product. Then you're going to get good results based on what exactly the answer the public all about. Now, let's explore the page right now. As you can see here, this platform is where you can get instant and raw search insights, which directly comes from the minds of customers from all over the world. So basically, it's a bot where you can use to its fullest potential to be able to find pretty interesting topics and facts coming from people from all over the world. So for example, we're going to look for topics like weight loss on the search bar, and let's type something along the lines of losing belly fat quickly. And from there, you're going to be brought to this page where you're going to have access to a lot of search results related to the keywords that you've just entered in. But before you do any of this, okay, it's important that you remember something. So you have to make sure that the country that you selected in the search process is the United States. By default, it's just to set the United Kingdom. So make sure to modify that. Now, let's get back to the search results right here. As you can see, like I said, United States, it was by default United Kingdom. We want it to be for United States. Now, as you can see, it was able to produce the results for this day. So you're going to scroll down just a bit and you're going to find this presentation. It's more of a visualization of the data that they basically house. It's a summary of all of the questions that people have asked about losing belly fat for this day. It's obviously very important, which means that the topic that we've chosen has a huge population. A lot of people are interested. So you can see plethora of questions right here. You see a lot of it, such as when losing belly fat, what to eat. You can also find something, signs of losing belly fat. So this is what you're going to use today in order to earn fat stacks of cash online. And then you're going to get this whole process. This will be done on complete autopilot, passively. It's just the beauty of passive and automatic income. Now I'm telling you, you're not going to have to put in any effort at all while you do this method. It's going to be super smooth, super easy. Please leave a comment down below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see from our future videos, because it will be based completely off of all of your suggestions. We'd love to read through them and get some ideas, so make sure you do that, and let's get back into the video. Now that you have some kind of traffic where you can promote something, there's one thing that's still lacking, and if you're guessing correctly, you're lacking a product to promote. And that's correct. So now we're going to head on over to clickbank.com. It's a huge, giant platform, basically, where there's trusted e-commerce tools being sold. They also house a global affiliate marketplace and industry-leading support and education. Now, these are all the tools that you just need to build with confidence, which is basically the entire platform's goal, to grow with confidence. All you have to do is sign up for an account, and don't even worry because it's super easy. You can do it in the snap of a finger, and you have to remember that everything is free, okay, which means that you're not going to pay for any fees and at all once you've signed up successfully. Now, I want you to head on to the marketplace on this left column right here, you're going to see a huge variety of categories making up the platform's marketplace. There's arts and entertainment, betting systems, business, and investing, and so many more. Now, for this method in specific, okay, I want you guys to focus on only one category, and that is health and fitness. As soon as you click on that, you're going to be directed to this page where you're going to see the products and services that are being offered that are related to health and fitness. So feel free to explore through the entire page, find the perfect product for you, whatever you think that is. Just make sure it has great statistics. So you have to take note of the initial dollar conversion, recurring dollar rebill, and gravity. Now these are all presented to you so that you have totally no reason to worry about anything. As soon as you found your perfect match, you're going to click on it. For example, we click on this one, so it's going to take us to this page where you're going to find all of the details for this specific product. All you have to do is familiarize yourself with the product, what it is, what it does, its benefits, its effects, and it's definitely going to help you when it's time to promote your product, since you are now very much well informed on what it is in general. Now, I want you to go to ClickBank, okay, and you're going to now access your unique affiliate link. Just click on this button right here that says promote, and then it's going to take you to the interface where you're simply just going to click on the button that says generate help links, and these help links are basically your affiliate links that you're going to be able to use later to be able to make a lot of money, as promised. If you're enjoying our video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you're going to regret it if you don't. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know, and you're going to be the first to make money out of all of my lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. Now, our next website is called WriteSonic.com. It's a platform that's powered by AI to boost your website's SEO and generate more traffic. WriteSonic's AI writing assistant generates high-quality articles, blogs, posts, Google Ads, and so many more in just seconds with a rating of an excellent, perfect 5 stars and more than 5,000 reviews. Now, this website is the real thing. All you have to do is just sign up for a completely free account, and then you're going to be able to have access to your dashboard afterwards. Now, the next thing that I want you guys to do is, explore through the members area and find the section for article intros. I want you to click on that, and then you're going to write Sonic. WriteSonic will develop a very inviting introduction that basically will capture the attention of your audience. So it's super awesome because you're gonna have security in terms of ensuring your potential affiliates. After that, go back, answer the public, then just select a random question. Now that you have your introduction, you're going to go back to answer the public, then you're just going to select a random question. Once you have your random question, you're going to paste the question on WriteSonic on this field right here. And once you've done that, you're going to simply click on this pink button that says generate intros. It's as easy as ABC 1 2 3, and now you have such an amazing, super inviting introduction that's definitely gonna get your audiences hooked. Now, it's like seeing magic before your very eyes. Now, take a look at this. It even provides you with 5 different great intros, all with the same standard of English produced in the best quality there is. So it's very mind-blowing. It's amazing. So copy these intros, and you're now in the clear to proceed to the next website. Right here, I want you to visit the website called Medium.com. You're going to sign up for an account completely free, and it's not really that hard since you can just sign up with either your Google account. So what this website is this is where you're going to create a short blog on the topic that you've chosen in today's video. So the topic that we're talking about was the losing belly fat topic, right? So you're going to click on the right icon right here on the lower left part of the page, and then take it all away. Simply paste the intro that you just have from WriteSonic, and at the very end, you're going to insert a very persuading phrase, okay? And finally, you're going to insert your affiliate link. And there you have it. Now you have a blog posted on the World Wide Web. So all you have to do is share it to as many people as you possibly can. That's really all you have to do. But here is one last bonus trick that I want to share with you guys. 4 websites that are all magic money makers that's going to boost you all the way up in reaching the financial freedom that you've always wanted. These websites are called Pangomatic.com, Pingomatic.com, PingMyURLs.com, and IndexKit.com. So you're just going to follow the instructions on each website, but basically to summarize it all, you're just going to input the link to your blog, on these 4 platforms, and these 4 platforms are going to boost them through all of the search engines, and it's going to give you a big boost. And there's such a huge advantage to this because a lot of more people are going to see it, a lot of more people are going to view your vlog, which means a lot of more people are going to come to that link, use that link, and you're going to be able to make more money. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.